Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to make money with Shopify and explore the top methods you can use to start earning. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tips and tricks. Now, let's dive in. What is Shopify? First, let's quickly go over what Shopify is. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows you to create an online store, manage inventory, and process payments. It's a popular choice for entrepreneurs looking to start their own online business. Now that we know what Shopify is, let's discuss the top methods to make money with it. Method 1: Dropshipping. One of the most popular ways to make money with Shopify is through dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without holding any inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order, you forward the order details to a supplier who then ships the product directly to the customer. This way, you don't have to worry about managing inventory or shipping products yourself. Method 2: Print on demand. Another great method to make money with Shopify is by using a print-on-demand service. With print on demand, you can sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without having to invest in inventory. When a customer orders a product, the print-on-demand service prints the design on the item and ships it to the customer. This is an excellent option for creative entrepreneurs who want to sell their designs without the hassle of managing inventory. Method 3: Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another way to make money with Shopify. With affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products on your Shopify store and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. This method is perfect for those who don't want to create their own products but still want to make money through their online store. Method 4: Selling digital products. If you have a talent for creating digital products like ebooks, courses, or software, you can sell them on your Shopify store. This method allows you to make money without having to worry about inventory or shipping physical products. Plus, digital products often have higher profit margins since there are no production costs involved. Method 5: Subscription-based services. Another way to make money with Shopify is by offering subscription-based services. This can include things like monthly subscription boxes, access to exclusive content, or ongoing support services. With a subscription-based model, you can generate recurring revenue, which can help create a more stable income stream for your business. Method 6: Selling handmade or unique products. If you're a crafty person or have a unique product idea, you can use Shopify to sell your handmade or one-of-a-kind items. This method allows you to showcase your creativity and build a loyal customer base that appreciates your unique offerings. Tips for success. Now that we've covered the top methods to make money with Shopify, let's discuss some tips for success. 1. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific market or audience to make your store stand out and attract the right customers. 2. Optimize your store. Make sure your store is visually appealing, easy to navigate, and optimized for search engines. 3. Offer excellent customer service. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and provide a seamless shopping experience to encourage repeat business. 4. Promote your store. Use social media, email marketing, and other promotional strategies to drive traffic to your store and increase sales. And there you have it. These are the top methods to make money with Shopify and some tips to help you succeed. Remember, the key to success is to stay consistent, learn from your mistakes, and always strive to improve your store. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on growing your online business. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.